Hello, Bulls! Do you know when your tuition and fees are due each semester if you're receiving financial aid? You may qualify for an automatic tuition deferment. What is a deferment? A deferment basically allows you to postpone your tuition payment and prevents your classes from being canceled. The rule of thumb is that your tuition and fees are due at the end of the 5th day of classes each semester. Financial aid is paid on the 7th day of the semester. In order to keep you from being dropped from classes and being charged late fees, the Office of Financial Aid will give you an automatic tuition deferment. How do you qualify for a tuition deferment? It's easy. All you need to do is have a FAFSA filed at least 10 days before classes begin, be enrolled at least half-time in classes, be meeting satisfactory academic progress, or be receiving a scholarship. How do you see if you have a deferment? Log in to Student Self-Service by clicking the tile on My USF. Select Financial Aid. You will see a message indicating your deferment approval. Your bill will be due by the expiration date listed unless your aid has already paid your bill. If you live in on-campus housing and have a USF meal plan, the deferment due date in Student Self-Service is your payment due date for tuition, fees, housing, and meal plan charges each semester. If you forget to check Student Self-Service, an email will be sent to your USF email. Make sure you check out the tuition deferment information on the Office of Financial Aid website. Thanks for watching. Go Bulls!